Hey everyone! This is Gayatri from Youthbuddy. Dear students interested in programming and software development tuning in. Learning Java can help you build strong programming skills, improve problem-solving abilities, and prepare for a wide range of software development careers. Here's something helpful for you: Java Skillset Learning for Students, information from Youthbuddy. To explore this, visit the Youthbuddy website, go to the Education section, open Skillset Learning under the IT and CS Courses Learning category, and select Java on that page. Java is one of the most widely used programming languages in the world and is known for its reliability, portability, and strong industry adoption. It is used in web applications, enterprise software, Android development, financial systems, and many other technology sectors. The journey of learning Java begins with building a strong understanding of the fundamentals. Students should become comfortable with Java syntax, variables, data types, operators, input and output, and the overall structure of a Java program. Once the basics are clear, the next step is learning how to control the flow of a program. This includes working with conditional statements, loops, and functions that help automate tasks and make programs more efficient and reusable. One of the most important skill areas in Java is object-oriented programming. Students learn how to design classes and objects while understanding concepts such as encapsulation, inheritance, abstraction, and polymorphism. These concepts form the foundation of modern software development and are widely used in real-world applications. As programming skills grow, learners should also understand exception handling. This helps developers identify, manage, and recover from errors, making applications more stable, reliable, and user-friendly. Another important skill is working with collections and data structures. Java provides powerful tools for storing, organizing, and managing data efficiently, allowing developers to choose the most suitable approach for different programming tasks. Students should also learn file handling and input-output operations. These skills help applications read, write, and process information from files and external sources. As learners move into more advanced topics, they can explore multithreading and concurrency. These concepts allow programs to perform multiple tasks simultaneously and are especially useful in modern software systems that require speed and responsiveness. Understanding memory management is another valuable skill. Learning how Java manages memory, handles garbage collection, and optimizes resources helps developers build more efficient applications. Modern Java development also makes extensive use of streams and lambda expressions. These features allow developers to write cleaner, more concise code while processing data efficiently. Once the core skills are strong, students can move into professional development tools and frameworks. Technologies such as JDBC, Hibernate, JUnit, and Spring Boot help developers build database-driven applications, test software effectively, and create enterprise-level solutions. Throughout the learning process, practical projects play a major role in strengthening skills. Building applications, solving programming challenges, and experimenting with real-world scenarios helps transform theoretical knowledge into practical experience. Consistent practice, problem-solving, and hands-on development are essential for long-term growth. The more projects you complete, the more confident and capable you become as a Java developer. By developing skills step by step and applying them through practical projects, students can build a strong foundation for careers in software engineering, application development, enterprise systems, and many other technology fields. Stay tuned for more useful info. For more details, click the link in description or explore it directly in the Education section on the Youthbuddy website. Open Skillset Learning under the IT and CS Courses Learning category and select Java on that page. Like, share, subscribe, and follow our social media accounts for more updates. Yours Gayatri from Youthbuddy, signing off.